Hello everyone, welcome back to another MATLAB video tutorial, and this video tutorial is about power transfer distribution factor. So this project was done earlier in 2018, and now I just going to upload this video tutorial which is about ATC available transfer capability, which is actually the maximum amount of power that can be transferred between 2 points in an electrical power system without violating any of the system's operating constraints. And the main factor, which is actually the power transfer distribution factor, which is actually a sensitivity measure of how a change in power flow on one transmission line affects the power flows on other lines in the system. And the third factor which is considered right in this video is outage transfer distribution factor, which is actually similar to the PTDF, but it is calculated for case where a transmission line is out of service. So basically, the ATC, PTDF, and OTDF are all important concepts in power system operation. They are used to ensure that the power system is operated safely and reliably, and to maximize the efficient use of transmission sources. So in this video tutorial, the network considered is IEEE 30 bus system, which is actually mesh in nature. And this is actually a basic load flow, and further process have to be done on that. So thanks for watching.